Canadian YouTube channel. I hope you are liking my videos, so please subscribe to my channel and like it and share it with your friends. Today, in this video, I'm going to cover the most important topic, especially for ITI students. If you are doing it and if your brother or sister are doing it, then this video is going to be helpful for you, and especially if you are from electrical and electrician stream, that this video is going to work for all. If you don't know me, my name is Amanpreet Kaur and I'm always making videos related to these Western countries, especially for Indian people who really want to immigrate to these Western countries, right? So in this video, I'm going to cover the most important point, that what type of study you have to do, whether you have to take this option to immigrate to Canada after completing ITI, or you have to pursue diploma or degree courses in your home country. So please continue to watch it till the end, because I'm going to cover the most important points which often neglected and people doesn't even aware about these. So please continue to watch it. So okay, I have divided this whole video into two sections. In this section, I'm going to talk about the eligibility criteria for all the ITI students, and this can be applicable to electrician, plumbers, fitters in various categories of ITI. Okay, so let me tell you that if you are doing ITI, please focus on your studies and try to study all the subjects, because I have noticed that most of ITI students do not study about theoretical concept, they're just doing practical things, etc, etc. But please try to focus both on theoretical and practical concepts, because it's going to be helpful for you when you immigrate to Canada and start doing further studies there. So it's important to not forget your study, especially your theoretical part. Okay, so and second part is, please try to get the good score in ITI stream, especially if you really want to immigrate to Canada. So in this one video, I'm going to talk about only Canada. I didn't have much knowledge about Australia, so this is very important that you will definitely study it and score at least 70% of your marks in ITI stream. Yes, this is very important because competition in these trade skills is very high in these countries. So please try to get best marks. And number 3 point, which are often neglected by our agents and lawyers, so it's important to consider it, and I am going to mention it. It's related to experience. Yes, after you have completed your ITI, you go for a training, right? Earn good certificate from reputed companies which can be recognized all over the world, especially. So gain some experience, and after that try to do some work under some supervision, right? Start gaining skills. I know that most of the students will complain that the system between India and Canada is totally different. Even the voltage and current rate is also very different. But please consider this point. Please gain some experience, because it will going to strong your file for further studies in Canada. So please consider this point. Experience is the most important, because experience is like a game changer for your file, right? So next important aspect and the most important point is IELTS. Yes, IELTS. You have to pass this exam and you have to score at least 6 bands in each module. Okay, if you are going through a work permit, then you have to give an IELTS journal, and if you are going through IELTS study, then please consider it that 6 bands is required. So please do this. बहुत बढ़िया तरीके नाल पढ़ो, ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਫਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਾ ਆਏ। तो प्लीज़ ये ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਵੈਸੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਰਕ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਟੇਰੀਆ ਉਹ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Okay, so now I'm going to tell you that how Canadian market and require these electricians, why there are so much demand of electrician and trade skills. Okay, so let me start with my second segment of this video. I forgot to mention it. If you really want to do IELTS, and I have made a video on IELTS material, so you can check over there. I am mentioning the link over here. Just click there and try to watch the video till the end and make a notes and use that kind of material for IELTS preparation, and that is valid for both IELTS journal and IELTS academic. Okay, so why these trade skills are very important in Canada or Australia? In both countries, these are the required skills, because it's always in demand, right? I didn't know the specific reason behind it, but yes, there are less population, but these type of skills are often earned by very less people. So it's important to learn these skills because you can earn fast bucks in these all type of skills, whether it's electrician, plumber, etc., right? And even its pay ranges started from 28, or no, it's a low range is $22 to $32 per hour. So it's maximum. Even you can earn fast bucks in this job, and you will definitely going to complete your all desires, fine? So please try to study and focus on this stream, and this awareness is also very important. Please share this video with all your friends and relatives who really want to immigrate through this ideal skill. So trade skills are always in demand, so don't worry about it. Okay, so now the most important part in this whole video is that Canada has a system, right? Canada always required license if you are working as an electrician, and if you really want to start your own business there, then you need a license. Okay, so it's important to earn it, but it's also difficult but not impossible. How? Let me tell you all the provinces into two parts. Here is a list of all these areas and provinces and cities where the license is required, right? This list is especially for electricians, and here is a list of provinces where the license for electrician work doesn't require, right? But experience in both provinces is important. Experience going to work for you. That's why I'm going to tell you, please अपना experience gain करो जो भी तुसी ITI ਨੂੰ complete कर लेने हो, और उस तो बाद किसी भी कंपनी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ काम करो या किसी भी ਵਧੀਆ जी सुपरविजन ਦੇ अंडर जो कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ वैलिड ਜਿਹੜਾ experience ਹੈ ਉਹ provide ਕਰ ਸਕੇ, और ਉਹ experience ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਬਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੇ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਓ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ experience ਵੀ ਨਾਲ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ, right? So it's important, please consider these points. We always neglect these points, and after that we will regret, fine? So it's important. I'm saying to you, it's essential, it's mandatory. So for this experience, you have two methods, okay? Number one method is you have completed your ITI, then passed your IELTS and go to Canada and start studying there, right? There are so many websites where you can easily find the various type of courses. If you didn't find it, then please go to the comment section. I will definitely find it for you. So it's almost 2 to 5 years, okay? Depend करता है थोड़ी financial condition पे तुसी किस तरह का course है जोड़ा तुसी लेना चाहोगे. And in these courses there is on-site training, जिससे तो training भी provide होती है. उस तो बाद इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो तुसी पढ़ाई खत्म कर ली तो लाइसेंस मिल जाएगा. No, it's not like that. So what you have to do after completing your education, right? You will be eligible for giving the paper, right? There is a testing system. उसे एक थोड़ा test होएगा, and उस test में जो तुसी pass कर जाओगे, then you will eligible for your license, okay? So उस test में which भी थोड़ा 70% ਜਿਹੜੇ marks ने वो at least score करने होंगे, and it's really important. So please study there with full of concentration so that you don't lose your marks, and please gain experience. It's also important. So this is all about this video, and there is one more exam. It's called Red Seal. I will make another video on that, or if you really want to know more about Red Seal exam, then please go to the comment section and type it there. If you have any inquiry and you want to make more videos like this, then please go there, and please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Have a great day. Thanks for watching it.